everyone, welcome to today's video, and I'm starting the video while I'm in the supermarket. I'm in Naivas supermarket and I want to buy a cooker, and I want to buy a 6-burner cooker, which I have already done it. I'm waiting for them to deliver it to the cashier so that I can pay. And as I'm waiting for them to do that, I decided to pick some few items, but I'll show you at the end of the video the cooker that I picked.
Meeting up by 7, you'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story with dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you this.
This is the cooker that I bought. It's a 6-burner cooker, and I think I mentioned that earlier. And they make it's Ramtom, so let's unbox it together.
Meeting up by 7, you'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know, your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my
a few items that I picked, and this is not a shopping haul. I just picked some few items to top up the shopping that I already have, but I don't think I'm going to mention each and every items because these are the normal items that I do buy. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel, and thank you so much for the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my content. And today I want to show you some few items that I bought from China Squares Mall. And China Squares Mall is a mall located at KU University. And I also went to Oka Deco at Two Rivers because I wanted to check whether I'll get a very nice dining table. But I got one at China Squares, but the following day as I was going to pay, nikapata ishanunuliwa, and I talked to them whether I'll get another one soon, but they told me I have to wait for 2 months, but time it's not allowing me, so I don't think I'm going to wait for 2 months. But I was also directed by one of my friends to go and check whether I'll get one at Gong Road. I'll go tomorrow to check whether they have nice ones. But yeah, so let me show you the items that I picked from China Squares. Then yeah, and I'm going to start with this one. This is a spice rack. This is a spice rack. Let me show you. It's like this. Okay. So, and there are four of them. This is color black. It's this one. So that is the first items that I got, and also I got this snacks plate. Very nice, and I got 3 of them. And I also got these plates also with a very nice flower there. Zawatoto, very nice. It's like a kabol. And I also got 3 of them. Also got these ones, 3 pieces also. And I also got these household gloves. These are gloves. These ones. And for this one, I think they were selling them at a very cheap price. I didn't pick anything in Yemepita 200. No, I just wanted to, because I didn't go there to do shopping. So these gloves, I think I bought them at 130. So let me tell you the price. Let me check the price. For the gloves, I bought them at 130. For plates, these ones I bought them at 120, 130, and 90 bob. So nimenunua a 90 bob, 130, and 120. And I also got this. This is dust. It's like this for dusting like chandelier or anything else that I want to remove the dust. This one, and I got this one at, let me check. I got it at 190. I got this one at 190. And I also got this one. Something like pegs. And also I got these hangers, 12 pieces. Also got these for baking, and I got this one at 200. And also I got this diffuser at 260. I picked the small one because I have never used the diffuser. This is the first time, so I wanted to try. So this is how it looks. Yeah, very nice diffuser. and I got it at 260. Also, what else? Okay, I also have this package that I got, this one. So I want to unwrap it with you. These are pillow covers. These are pillow covers. This is black and white. So this is how it looks. Very, very nice. I love it. Wow, I love it so much. It's black and white. And I got, let me see, there are five pieces. Also another one, black and white. There are two. These are 2 pieces. And also there is these 3 pieces. So this is white plain. This is white plain. And also we have another one with a different design. This is different design. Yeah, and also another one here. So look at this one. This is like a with also different design. So I have these pillowcases. I'm going to write the number on the screen for the where I bought these covers. So, and that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Aki subscribing too. Don't watch and then you are not subscribing. Kindly subscribe, guys. Let's grow together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching until this point. Bye. Let's meet in the next one.